Hi everyone, let's take a look and see how we can move our attachments and make it so that they are linked to text, such as a text that we see here that says student athlete contract. Now today we're looking specifically at documents that have been previously added. What I do is I start by highlighting over the text we want to link. That brings up this pop-up toolbar. What we want to do next is we want to look for a chain link icon that is located towards the right side of this toolbar. We see it, we click on that, and what that does is it brings up this next window. My next step is I want to switch this over to document. Because we've already uploaded the file, we don't have to worry about uploading it again. All we need to do is simply select the document and then click Create Link. Once I click Create Link, we'll notice that the document, as well as the area that has been set aside for that attachment, disappears. It's no longer appearing on the page, and it has been moved to this text. Now, as with any time we're adding or we're editing a link, documents and websites included, we want to make sure that we test this link. Remember, to test links in the content area, you want to switch first from edit to test mode. That's what this red button with the feathers for. I click on it, it's grayed out. That means we're in test mode. Now, I click on the link, and we can see that we've successfully linked that attachment now to this text. So now it is linked in the content area.